2010 Nissan Altima, steering wheel lock issue. Car won't start. Starts sometimes, doesn't start other times. So on and so forth. If you're watching this video and you know you have a steering wheel lock issue, I can help you fix it. Once you pull this part off the column, I'm not going to show you how to do it. I ain't got all the time for that shit. Pull it off. There'll be a circuit board mounted on the inside of it. Once you bust the back cover off, there's a cover that goes around the whole unit here. Break it off. Try not to break the circuit board. Once you get it off, get the circuit board out. There's going to be micro switches on it. One here, one here. So that's two. One here, one here. There's 3 holes per micro switch. Desolder the micro switches. Once you pull them out, flip the board over. Connect the 2 inner holes that were from the micro switch on both sides. So that was the first hole, second hole, third hole. I connected those 2 on one micro switch and those 2 on the other, bypassing the micro switches. The micro switches are what tell the car it can and cannot start. Once you do that, you have the gear and the pin still in this unit here. Flip it over, dump it on the ground, do away with it. This motor here is attached to the circuit board with straight pins. It pulls straight out. Once you get it out, throw it in the trash. Then once you're done there, put the circuit board back inside this housing, put the screws back in it, mount it to the car.